Hi everyone, this is Teacher Carlit and welcome to the Wave Private School. Today is 15th April 2020 and our topic for today, solving word problems. Our references, workbook page 108 and workbook page 110. Let's start in workbook page 108, solve the word problems. Question 1. There are 100 sheets of paper in one ring. How many sheets of paper are there in 5 rings? Imagine this is one ring and it has 100 sheets inside. Okay, so if we rewrite here, 1 unit or 1 ring, it has 100 sheets of paper. So 5 rings or 5 units is how we're going to write here. So 5 times 100 here, 100. 5 times 100 equals 5 times 100. We know it. The answer is 500. So how we compute here? 100 times 5. 5 times 0. The answer is 0. 5 times 0, 0. And 5 times 1, the answer is 5. So 100 times 5 equals 500. So there are 500 sheets of paper in 5 rings. Okay. Question number 2. Okay. Mr. Yusuf gave 60 sweets to Ahmed and Siti. Siti took 5 times as many sweets as Ahmed. How many sweets did Ahmed take? So imagine this is 1 cup of sweets and it has 60 sweets. Okay, and Mr. Yusuf gave these 60 sweets to Ahmed and Siti. Okay, but Siti took 5 times as many sweets as Ahmed. Okay, so imagine in 60 sweets, Siti took 5 parts and Ahmed took 1 part of it. 1 part of 60 goes to Ahmed and 5 parts goes to Siti. The question is, how many sweets did Ahmed take? Okay, so let's answer here. Total, we know it's 60. So Ahmed, so 60, we know it's 60, right? The total sweets, number of sweets. And we are going to divide how many parts. The total parts is 5 parts for Siti and 1 part of Ahmed. So 5 plus 1, the answer is 6. Okay? So 60 divided 6 equals, so let's rewrite it here, 60. Oh, by the way, this is a revision. This is the house. Inside the house, we call it dividend. Outside the house, we call it divisor. And the answer, we call it quotient. Okay, so 60 divided by 6. Okay, equals, so 6 divided by 6, the answer is 1. Because 1 times 6, the answer is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay, bring down 0. 0 divided 6, the answer is 0. Because 0 times 6, the answer is, okay, the answer here is 0. Okay, so what is the answer here? 0 minus 0, the answer is 0. Okay, so let's get one. Okay, the answer here is 0. 0 minus 0, the answer is 0. So 60 divided 6, the answer here is 10. So Ahmed took how many sweets? The answer is 10 sweets goes to Ahmed. Okay? So let's check. 10 goes to Ahmed. 10. You multiply by 6. The answer is 10 times 6. The answer is 60. Remember, if division is going forward, backwards is multiplication. You are going to, if you want to check, so 10 times 6, 60. 60 divided 6 is 10. So that's how it goes. Okay? Now, today, your homework for today is workbook page 109 and answer number 3 and 4. You're going to continue that. Okay, let's proceed to workbook page 110. Question number 5. Mr. Jones has 6 tins of cookies. Okay? Tins or can or box, we call it tins. Tin can, okay? Each tin or each box contains 88 cookies. He wants to give all the cookies equally to his 4 children. How many cookies will each child receive? Okay? Imagine this is one tin of cookies. Okay? Or one box or one tin can. We call it tin. It has, in each box or each box is having 88 cookies. Okay? And Mr. Jones has 6 boxes of 6 boxes of cookies. Okay? So Mr. Jones is going to give all cookies equally to 4 children. How many cookies will each child receive? Okay, let's plot like this. 6 boxes of cookies, okay, or 6 tins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 tins or 6 boxes. And each box has 88 cookies, like this. So the question is, here, how many cookies? How many cookies here in 6 boxes? Okay, so let's compute first how many in one unit or one box. It has 88, right? Okay, so in 6 units, okay, 6 units or 6 boxes, 6 times 88 equals, so we can answer here. Okay, let's answer. We'll put it like this. So 6 or 88, we put here the higher number, 88, times 6 equals, okay, 6 times 8. The answer here is how much? 48, right? But this one, we're going to carry here, no? We put 4 here, right? 6 times 8, 48, carry 4. Okay. Then next is 6 times 8, 48, plus 4. The answer here is 52. So the answer is 88 times 6 equals 528. So 6 times 88, the answer here is 528 cookies. Okay. In 6 boxes, it has 528 cookies. Okay. So we're going to write here, he has 528 cookies all together. Okay? Now, all together, but Mr. Jones, he wants to give all the cookies equally to his 4 children. So meaning, 528, we're going to divide this to his 4 children so that we can get how many cookies will each child receive. Okay? So, here, 4 units, the answer here is 528. Okay? So, these are the 4 children. Each child will receive how many cookies? Okay, so 4 units, we know this is 528. Okay, 1 unit or 1 box or 1 child, meaning 4 childs. This unit represents child. 4 children or 4 child, the total is 528 cookies. And where each child will receive how many cookies? So we're going to put here 528 divided by 4 equals, okay, so we are going to plot it here. Okay, 528 divided by 4. Okay, let's start. 5 divided by 4 can be. So, okay, so 5 divided 4, the answer is 1. 1 times 4, the answer is 4. So, let's subtract 5 minus 4, the answer is 1. 1 divided 4 cannot be. Okay, so bring down 12. So, 12 divided 4, the answer is 3. Because 3 times 4, the answer here is 12. So let's subtract 2 minus 2. The answer is 0. Okay? 0 divided 4 cannot be, so we bring down 8. Now 8 divided 4 can be. The answer here is 2. Because 2 times 4, the answer here is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. So 8 minus 8, the answer here is 0. So each child will receive 132 cookies. Okay? So 528 divided 4, the answer is 132. Okay? So your homework for today, addition from above, workbook page 111, answer number 6. Okay? That's all for today. And follow the weekly plan so that you can do your homework for the other days. Thank you and keep safe.